Imagine you are standing in the middle of a massive desert. No street signs, no people, just sand. You are totally lost. But then, you pull out your phone, a tiny blue dot appears on the screen and says, "You are here." How? How does a piece of glass in your pocket know your exact location on a planet that is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour? It's not magic, it's a conversation with robots in space. Let's open the sketchbook. Okay, to understand GPS, we need to look up, way up. Right now, about 20,000 kilometers above your head, there is a gang of 30-plus satellites zooming around the Earth. These are the GPS satellites. Think of them as flying atomic clocks. They are incredibly precise. Here is the crazy part. These satellites don't watch you. They don't know who you are. They're just shouting out the time. Beep, beep, beep. They constantly broadcast, "I am satellite A, and the time is 12:001. Your phone is just a listener. When it hears a signal, it calculates how long that signal took to arrive. Since radio waves travel at the speed of light, your phone can figure out the distance. But one satellite isn't enough. It just tells you that you are somewhere on a giant circle. So your phone listens to a second satellite. Now you have two circles. They overlap in two spots. Better, but not perfect. Then it listens to a third satellite. Boom! 3 circles intersect at only one single point. That point is you. This is called trilateration. It's basically a high-tech game of geometry, and usually you need a 4th satellite just to double-check the altitude.
So, GPS is basically your phone holding a stopwatch and listening to space robots shouting the time. And the best part, it is completely free. It was built by the US military, but they let the whole world use it for $0. Here is a thought experiment for you today. Imagine if the GPS satellites suddenly turned off tomorrow. No Google Maps to find locations, no Uber for transports. Amazon delivery drones would crash, planes would get lost, ships would drift blindly at sea. Emergency ambulances wouldn't know where to go. The global stock market would freeze instantly. Basically, the entire world's operating system would crash. Could you survive without the blue dot? Do you even know how to read a real paper map? Please tell me your ideas in the comments.
So, catch you on the next page of Leo's sketchbook with full of amazing technology. Stay curious with Eureka Village.